Hey everybody, this is a little video about some of the behind the scenes for a job I'm doing this week for RedBull in Denmark. So I'm doing a point of view commercial for RedBull to release a new drink flavor here in Denmark, and it's the day in a life of my job as a photographer. So initially I was thinking I could film a POV video using maybe a GoPro or an Insta360, but after a bit of thought, I decided that it needs to be better quality than just an action camera. So I rented a full-on helmet rig for a point of view setup with my Fujifilm X-H2S. And yeah, so I'm gonna be using this camera, the S, with this super small Fujifilm 8mm lens. So it's insanely wide. And it's super small and light, so I think that's gonna be really nice on the head. Won't be a lot of weight up there. So yeah, shout out to Simple Rent in Copenhagen. They hooked me up with this helmet cam. Here it is. I gotta set it up, just got it. It's got counterweight system and everything. So yeah, we're gonna get that set up. And today is day one of filming. Got home from Australia yesterday. But I only have 6 days to film, edit, and deliver this video. So today I'm headed to meet up with my buddy Carl, who's gonna be playing the construction worker in the project. He's gonna have a regular Red Bull, and the goal of the shot is that I'm gonna ride by him, see him, maybe give him a wave, we'll figure that out, and then he'll have a Red Bull close to him. So we're just trying to include Red Bull in everyday people's work, how they use it, stuff like that. My goal is to finish all the shooting in 3-4 days maximum. That leaves me like 2 days to do the editing. It's a bit rainy right now, classic Danish winter, so hopefully the weather holds out. And yeah, the project goes well. So yeah, looking forward to taking you guys along on a little behind the scenes journey. So I hope you enjoy some insights into this job. See you. So this is actually a pretty crazy setup here that I would actually like to purchase, but unfortunately Pro-Aim was out of stock when I went to look, so I had to rent it. But I think once this system comes back in stock, I'll be looking to buy it because it's pretty handy. One thing I noticed initially is the whole cage is really bowing outwards. It's not like lined up perfectly straight. That's a bit interesting that the design is not maybe slightly better, but let's see if it'll fit. There we go. So just finished day 2 of shooting. Just got home, have all my stuff here, haven't unpacked yet. Today I shot with Altia, the Red Bull athlete who's a handball goalie. Took quite a few hours, but we got the shots we need. And yeah, here's some of the shots I got today. Check it out. Alright, so it's day 3 of shooting. I'm just getting ready to go here. Today I need to shoot a lot of my office space and yeah, things that I'm doing while I'm editing. I got the helmet rigged up, ready to put on and go. So yeah, check it out. Okay, so I'm trying to do a transition scene where I drink the Red Bull and then as I pull the can away, I'm at a new location. Tried it yesterday just by hand and trying to line it up and it looks a little bit sloppy. So I'm trying to think of a better solution. Never know what a Gorilla Pod might come in handy for. So I'm just gonna put some tape on this and then go do the same scene over and over as if I'm drinking. Follow on. Okay, so day 4 of shooting. Woke up to a complete whiteout outside, so that's not really good, seeing how I've already shot 70% of the outdoor stuff. Yeah, just with regular Danish rain and wind conditions. And now it's completely white, and we have today to shoot, tomorrow to edit, and Friday to deliver. So need to do some improv on figuring out, probably just using the shots I already have from outside and won't be able to get more. So yeah, it's a bit stressful. Also, through my window, you can see all the snow. So now I have to shoot with the blind down. Yeah, that's life though. And yeah, just have to come up with solutions. So keep going. Gotta go get changed into the shooting clothes and start it out. So that was the last thing I recorded before trying not to have a meltdown, just freaking out about how am I gonna finish this job. So yeah, had a rough morning, but I realized I had enough footage to use for a project. Luckily for me, the final video is only under 30 seconds, so I was able to look at what I already had. Turned out I didn't need to take more, so yeah. It was a really fun job to do. I hope you enjoyed seeing some behind the scenes. And without further ado, here is the final product. Woke up like I had superpowers.